With the release of IESVE 2024, there is an additional full building compliance path included in the software. This is specifically for ASHRAE 90.1 2019, Energy Standard for Buildings except Low-Rise Residential. You can now choose between two different paths for whole building compliance within the IESVE ASHRAE 90.1 2019 Navigator. The Appendix G Performance Rating Method, also known as PRM, or the Section 11 Energy Cost Budget, also known as ECB. The IESVE Navigator is a workflow efficiency tool that allows the user to sequentially step through the compliance process for the building design, including the site location and climate, the geometry, importing the 90.1 2019 standard template data, space grouping and applying the space templates, auto-generating the budget building. And you can toggle back and forth between the proposed and the budget building. System selection allows for 3D room or zone load calculations and HVAC equipment sizing and annual energy simulation. The auto-generated ECB report and supporting reports for the user are also included in the Navigator. Thank you for watching this brief video about code compliance in IESVE software. For more information about other IESVE features, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit the website at iesve.com.